Let's talk about soft skills today. When we talk about soft skills, these are very important skills. People talk about IT skills, language skills. In 21st century, when you talk about 21st century skills, among these, a very important one is soft skills. Soft skills are the combination of critical thinking, adaptability, leadership skills, time management, stress management, conflict management, communication, mentoring, etc. So whenever we talk about soft skills play pivotal role in someone's life. As much grooms your soft skills are, as much you have ability to get good jobs. Let's see what is basically soft skills. When you talk about soft skills, these basically is related to your personal attributes, interpersonal skills, and personality traits influence how individuals interact with others and handle situations. Soft skills, they are crucial for effective communication, teamwork, problem solving, overall professional success. Let's see what is the difference between hard and soft skills. Hard skills are often acquired through formal education or training, while soft skills are developed through experience and interaction. If we talk about hard skills and soft skills as an example, if we want to take how we can differentiate, so hard skills, teachable abilities or skill sets, they are basically they are easily to quantify. These are measurable skills. Soft skills are also known as people skills, interpersonal skills. Hard skills are like you can say the proficiency in a foreign language. On the other hand, when we talk about soft skills, it means we are talking about communication. Hard skill, a degree or certificate. On the other hand, flexibility. Typing speed, machine operation, and computer programming, these all are hard skills. But when we talk about teamwork, time management, these are basically your soft skills. The problem is how to enhance these academics. This enhances academic success. See, soft skills significantly contribute to academic success by enabling a student to work effectively in teams, communicate ideas clearly, and solve problems collaboratively. In academic arena, in academic time period, if students want, they can basically learn these skills intentionally or unintentionally. The students who actively develop these skills are better equipped to tackle complex assignment, improve their understanding of coursework, and manage their time efficiently. Additionally, soft skills foster adaptability, allowing a student to respond effectively to challenges they face during their studies. So during their studies, their project work, they when they are basically work collaboratively with one another, sometime in pairs, sometime individually, and sometime in a team. If they become team leaders, so they come to know how to manage time, how to manage people, how to listen others, how to show your positive gestures, how to face negativity, how to face defeat. So there are lots of things to slowly and gradually basically groom your skills, and once the time comes you realize that yes, now you are a successful person and now your soft skills have been groomed. Now the problem is how to develop soft skills, extracurricular activities. So students, and if you are not a student, if you are a professional, so even though you can do lots of other things, those are not exactly the part of your job description. So these things also basically enhance your soft skills. Joining clubs, webinars, and seminars, and such type of thing. When you come across people, then basically you are slowly and gradually polishing your skills, soft skills. Sports teams or cultural organization, these are good enough to develop your soft skills. So always try to groom your soft skills, because in today's time period where we talk about degrees, IT skills, language skills, one of the most important or significant skill is soft skill. So here I think this is will be enough for you to understand how much important these are and how these can play important role in your professional and academic life. Thank you for listening.